First, rinse and dry the meat thoroughly. Add salt and pepper on both sides. Finally, chop onion and garlic. The smaller you cut, the more uniform the meat sauce will be. Heat the pan and fry the pork meat for 2 minutes on each side. Then add the butter and fry for another 5 minutes on all sides on a medium heat. Add some mint leaves. Remove the pork and fry the onion with garlic until golden brown. Add 4 tablespoons of water. Wait until the water evaporates a little and add the cream. Add several types of mustard. Simmer on a medium heat for another 5-7 minutes until fully cooked. Incredibly tender pork with a very tasty sauce is ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy your meal.